Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we got an Ace Hardware video or ad. It says Red Hot Buys valid March 1st through March 31st. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews. Ace Hardware, Home Depot, Lowe's. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. We are a tool channel, so just to let you guys know, I'm not going to go over all the items here, just the tools. So we got some garden equipment or seeds and fertilizers. Some of the tools we got here, this is considered a tool. So Ace Hardware 2-gallon home and garden sprayer for $12.99. If you sign up with the card, this card is the rewards card. All you gotta do is just fill like a simple app, like name, address, and phone number, and they'll give you a card at the store. So, and it is worth it because you get these discounts. So without the card, it's $12.99, and with the card, it's $9.99. You got some hose there, a hose there for $14.99. It's a 50 by 5/8 all-season garden hose. With the card, rewards card, you get it for $9.99, just under $10. Here we got the, if I can click on it, we got the DeWalt 20-volt max lithium-ion drill driver and impact driver combo kit. It says $229.99 with the $50 with the card, so it comes down to $179.99. This is the older model. It's not the newest models, but still it says made in the USA. That's all the details I could see. Here at the bottom, it doesn't really say the model number. Well, it tells you the item number here, but it doesn't tell you the model number of each drill. So it says limit 4 at this price. It rewards instant savings, instant amounts of available speed. Ace rewards. Okay. All right. Valid through 3/31/19. Here's another one. Let's see if I can click on this. We got the Milwaukee tape measure, curved jaw, pliers, and safety utility knife for $9.99 each. So that's the bigger picture. And we got the Milwaukee long nose pliers, job site scissors, 10-in-1 multi-bit screwdriver for $12.99 each. That's the bigger picture there. Alright, here we got some garden tools, $6.99 your choice, I guess. And then this is $14.99 your choice. We got the Toro Recycler front wheel drive high wheel mower for $309. It does have a 22-inch deck, Kohler 149cc OHV engine, mulch, rear bag, side discharge, self-propelled. So that is the machine. And the next one we got the Toro Recycler Personal Pace Mower for $369, 22-inch cut-inch deck, bricks and Stratton 163cc EXI engine, mulch, rear bag, and discharge, self-propelled. So this is a little bigger engine there. And this one's the Craftsman Deluxe High Wheel Push Mower for $269, $20 off with the cart, so it comes down to $249. So it's not a bad deal at all. I always owned Craftsman, so never had a problem with mine. Well, I sometimes every now and then you have to take it in to get service, but it's really rare. I think I went 2 or 3 years with it without getting serviced. You know, just me doing it, changing the oil and changing the spark plug. But I think last year was the year that I took it to get serviced. and it has worked good since I haven't used it a lot, so I haven't changed the oil or anything. But this one is a 21 cutting deck, Briggs Stratton 163cc engine, March rear bag side discharge, limit 1 at this price. That is the machine. So those are nice machines. I like them. They're simple, but they're nice. You got a Craftsman 16-inch gas chainsaw, 129. Item number there. Let's see if I can. No, that's the only picture we have. You got a Craftsman electric string trimmer and edge trimmer blower vac, $54.99 minus $10. Comes down to $44.99 each. That is the pictures. Alright, yeah, that's it. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.